There is an island that shines like a jewel. We invite you to explore this beautiful island where nature and men harmoniously coexist in peace. Jeju Island is a small island located to the south of the Korean peninsula. It is an island that was created from volcanic explosions that happened during the Tertiary and Quaternary periods of the Cenozoic era. This island is surrounded by long and beautiful coasts and still retains its natural beauty and ancient mysteries. The sea blesses the people of Jeju Island with rich harvest all year round. The sea is the repository of life and a rich field. The wind is one of the things this island is famous for. The people of Jeju Island didn't try to conquer this strong aspect of nature. They just accepted it and overcame it. They built stone walls that never crumble, no matter how strong the wind blows. The stone walls were intricately built with lava stones that are everywhere on the island. The stone walls created by nameless people of Jeju Island became a work of art. Here is the mountainous area of Jeju Island. This is the highlands located at an altitude of 200 meters, midway up Hala Mountain. It is a place full of primitive beauty that seems as if it is beyond the passing of time. Relatively low hills surround this wide plain side by side. The hills are small parasite volcanoes that are called Orum. There are over 360 of these volcanoes here. The people of the Kingdom of Orum live all their lives resting upon this soft Orum, and in the end, are buried among Orum. In life or death, they are one with Orum. This is Hala Mountain. It is the mother of Jeju Island, and it is Jeju Island itself. This numinous mountain shelters and nurtures countless lives within itself all year round. Hala Mountain is the garden of the gods, cultivated on earth. The island where Hala Mountain hugs the air above and reaches deep down into the Emerald Sea. This is Jeju Island. Jeju Island is not just the treasure of the Koreans. It is a heritage to everyone around the world. The proof of that is shown by the honor of being crowned 3 times by UNESCO in the area of natural science. In 2002, UNESCO designated Jeju Island as a biosphere reserve. In 2007, UNESCO designated the volcanic island of Jeju Island and its lava caves as one of the World Heritage Sites. And in October of 2010, UNESCO designated all of Jeju Island as one of the UNESCO Global Geoparks. It was the first time in the world for a place to be awarded with 3 titles by UNESCO in the area of natural science. As you can see, Jeju Island is a place full of beauty and a place of value that deserves to be passed down to our descendants. Jeju Island is now in the race to become one of the new 7 wonders of nature. The island has proudly become a contestant in this global festival in choosing the 7 most beautiful sceneries around the world. Only your online votes and active calls can advertise Jeju Island as a global tourist attraction. To vote by phone, dial 4475890-01290 as an international call and press 7715, the code for Jeju Island, after the tone. And if you'd like to vote online, please vote on New 7 Wonders website. Or if you visit www.jejun7w.com, the homepage of the Commission on Promoting Jeju Island as one of the new 7 wonders, you will be provided with detailed instructions. This election will be held until the end of October 2011, and the final results will be announced in November. Beautiful nature blessed by the heavens, and the people who lead healthy lives within such a natural paradise. Jeju Island will forever be remembered as the most touching place on Earth.